Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of a Cartier item, and I will also tell you a horror story related to it. I know it sounds weird, but it's another horror story. The last one was about Pochette Metis from Louis Vuitton. If you haven't watched that one, click here. It's quite good and might be useful for some of you interested in this bag, but today it's all about Cartier. So if you're new here, my name is Aika. I make a lot of videos about fashion, lifestyle, luxury, unboxings and reviews. If you're interested in those, head down there, click the subscribe button. Also, turn on notification bell and join our beautiful luxury community. With that said, let's dive into this unboxing. So here is the Cartier bag, and I actually filmed the real unboxing, but guess what? I lost the footage. I mean, I got it on my laptop and then it just disappeared. I think I accidentally deleted it because at the same time I was editing another video, and whenever I'm done editing I just delete the whole folder full of videos so it doesn't take up a lot of space on my computer, and I guess that's how I lost the footage. And the funny thing is that I also erased everything from my memory card. Yay! Anyway, I'll just show you what I got. I got this with my parents. It was my dad's gift this summer in Monaco. This is the box. Ooh. This is oh my god, what is happening? Everything fell down. Anyway, this is the packaging. The box is right inside. It is already open because I did the unboxing, but it's not the worst thing that happened to me. Like, losing all the footage of a great video, yes, it sucks, but what sucks more is that this item just broke 2 days later. Let me show you the piece. It is in this little pouch thing. That's how they returned it to me. Let's just open and see what I got. I got the Juste Clou bracelet in yellow gold, and this is a thicker version, so it's not the thin one, it's a larger one. My sister in fact got the thinner version. My mom got the same one but in white gold with diamonds in here. This is such a gorgeous piece. This is such a classic piece from Cartier, and I absolutely love the bracelet. When we just got it, I just couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe that I now have like a proper Cartier stack of bracelets, a little one, but it's still something. So as you can see, I've got my love bracelet in rose gold, thin version, and then I've got this little cutie. I had a lot of questions from you guys asking where this bracelet is from. This is from Van Cleef, so it is so cute. This was a Valentine's gift from my hubby, and this was my birthday gift from my hubby, and this is my dad's gift, probably for my birthday, I think so. So I got the bracelet. It is so beautiful. I've got all the papers and everything. The certificate fell down as well. Here's the certificate. You would ask what the hell could possibly happen to it, and let me show you. So when we got all of these items, it was at the beginning of our trip, and my mom and sister just put them on immediately. Like, they walked out of the store with their bracelets on. My sister got 2, my mom got 1. So this is what it looks like. It is so beautiful. I mean, it's gorgeous, and I love the look of them. You can't really tell the difference now between the rose gold and the yellow gold. Like, there is not a huge difference between them, but I just love how they look. So I waited until like the pre-last day to wear the bracelet. I would keep it in the box sealed because I wanted to do like the real unboxing for you guys, and it freaking failed. Whatever, it happens. But when I put the bracelet on after I filmed the video, it was our last day there, and then the next day we were going to Zurich for the music festival. It was great, by the way. So we arrived to Zurich, we parked the car, went towards the parkometer to pay for the parking, and then I look at my hand and I see my bracelet like opened like so, and it was basically held from falling by my large jacket sleeve. My jacket sleeve was like this, holding the bracelet on my hand. Otherwise, it would have fallen. I swear to God. And I would just lose it. And one thought of me losing my new Cartier bracelet just scared the hell out of me. It was scary. When we arrived, we went straight to Cartier boutique, so they can do something. And they told me, if you live in Geneva, it's better to come back to Geneva and just fix it there, because if we send it, you'll have to come back to Zurich to pick it up. And also the guy who does all these repairments is on holidays, so there is like no way you can leave it with us today. So they gave me another little box where I could store it until I get back to Geneva. We came to Geneva, it was the end of August, I think it was like 27th of August, and I went immediately to the Cartier boutique to fix my bracelet. I asked them what the problem was. So I explained them the whole situation of what happened, and that it just opened by itself and almost fell, and I almost lost it, and I was freaking out. And they told me that they would have to send it to Paris to examine the bracelet and then decide what to do with it. I had to agree. I had no other choice but to agree. And the sad thing is that it was new and I only wore it for less than 2 days. And I got really upset because this is an expensive piece. This is very expensive. And they also told me that it would be an additional charge, just like Louis Vuitton did. And I was like, are you kidding me? I just bought it, it's new. Like, what are you talking about? Whatever. They sent it back to Paris. I texted my SA in Monaco telling him the whole situation, and he was like, I am so sorry to hear that. If you were in Monaco, I would just exchange the bracelet and give you the new one, because I know this is like a recent purchase and this wasn't supposed to happen to you. But since you're in Geneva, Geneva just likes to make it difficult and just likes to send things back instead of giving new items in exchange. He was like, I'm gonna take care of it. Just give me the reference number. I'm gonna take care of it, don't worry, you won't have to pay anything, but you'll have to wait a little bit because it takes quite some time to ship it to Paris. Then Paris examines it and then decides what to do with it, then fixes it, then sends it back to Geneva, and then you can pick it up. Because he was like, it might take a little while, just be patient. I was patient until Friday. So it arrived on Friday, and Friday was actually the day when I just arrived back to Geneva from my holidays. I went back home to surprise my family. It was great. And so when I arrived back to Geneva, I went to Louis Vuitton to buy something. That's my next video. You don't want to miss it. It's yeah, it's gonna be interesting. So just press the bell button not to miss it. But after that, my husband was like, I actually received an email from Cartier saying that your bracelet is ready. So after Louis Vuitton, we went to Cartier to pick up my bracelet, and we are finally reunited. And I am so happy it is back. It's so shiny, it is so pretty. I just can't believe it's back because it's been so long. So I picked it up on the 26th of October. So it's been almost 2 months. No, it's been about 2 months actually. Yeah, 8 weeks. This is how long it took for the bracelet to arrive back, and I only wore it for less than 2 days when I had to ship it to Paris. I wanted to make this video just to show you that such things happen to probably every brand. Cartier was the last brand I expected this to happen, because for the price they're asking, I mean, it's not worth 7,000 euros. It's so not worth it. It's not that much gold in it. And when you buy such expensive jewelry, you expect the quality to be the best. Basically, the problem was with the little clasp thing in here, so that was the problem, and they had to change it, and I don't know. They explained it to me, but I didn't understand it at all because I'm not a jeweler. But they had to exchange something, and I hope now it will be better. I mean, I can still open it easily, no problem, but I just hope it doesn't open by itself, and I hope it doesn't fall and I don't lose it. That's why I'm a little bit scared to wear it right now. I mean, guys, if you have a Juste and Clou bracelet, how do you wear it? Like, did this ever happen to you? Did it just open by itself? Because I'm scared to wear it now. That's why I kept it in the little pouch up until today. Today is a Wednesday. I don't know if I'll wear it every day. Maybe I will if I forget this happened. But for now, I don't know if I can wear it on a daily basis without taking it off, or without checking that it's still on my hand, on my wrist. Because I'm still a little bit scared that the same thing will happen, but this time I won't have my large jacket sleeves to keep it keep it on my wrist. The moral of the story, I guess there is no moral. I just wanted to let you know that this happened to me, and that you should be really careful when you buy your expensive jewelry. So maybe, especially with the Juste and Clou bracelet, it's not like this one, it's not like the Love bracelet. You don't have to like screw the little thing inside to keep it like tight on your wrist. You have to be very careful. Check the clasp carefully, double check it. That's the story with my Cartier bracelet, and also the unboxing. Yay! I hope you enjoyed this video. It was such a random video, but I felt like sharing it with you. So if you enjoyed this video, just give it a thumbs up so I know you liked it. If you have any thoughts about it, leave all your thoughts in the comment section down below. I would love to discuss this quality issues with you guys, because I've started to notice them a lot lately. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.